Assalamu alaikum friends. Today I will discuss some more important MCQs that are related to botany and biology. I request to all those friends that still not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel for further videos. So we will move towards our lecture. Obdiplostaminous condition of Androecium is common in the family of Rutaceae. Obdiplostaminous condition is the condition in which stamens are present in two whorls. These whorls may be in alternate form. Monocarpally condition is one of the striking features of Papilionaceae. The term tissue was coined by Grew. Stellar regions are formed from plerome. DPD stands for diffusion pressure deficit. Hexokinase enzyme belong to class transferase. In camp plants, CO2 acceptor is PEP, phosphoenol pyruvate. The term vernalization was coined by Lysenko, who is called as the father of cell biology. Robert Hooke is called the father of cell biology. The longest phase in M phase of cell cycle is prophase. Genotypic monohybrid ratio is 1:2:1. Genotypic monohybrid ratio is 1, 2 and 1. 1:2 and ratio 1. The chromosomal theory of inheritance was given by Sutton and Boveri. A dihybrid test cross ratio is 1:1:1:1:1. A cross between a F1 hybrid and a recessive parent gives a ratio of 1:1. Hybrids with similar genotypes are called clones. Mendelian recombinations are due to independent assortment of genes. If a homozygous tall male plant is crossed with a homozygous dwarf female plant, the genotype of the endosperm of the offspring would be T capital and small t t. Cytoplasmic inheritance is also called maternal inheritance. A dihybrid test cross ratio is 1:1:1 and ratio 1. The normal dihybrid ratio 9:3:1 is modified to 12:1 ratio in F2 generation due to dominant epistasis. In trihybrid crosses, the number of expected F2 phenotype is 8. The term epistasis was first used by William Bateson. In a double helix, the distance between two base pair is 3.4 angstrom. During replication, the DNA helix is unwound by the enzyme that is called helicase. Single ring nitrogenous bases are CUT cut. C means cytosine, U means uracil and T means thymine. These three nitrogenous bases are single ring. Split genes were discovered by Roberts and Short. The term cistron, recon and muton was proposed by Benzer. Endonuclease enzyme belongs to class Hydrolases. Coined the term Tracheophyta. Synod. Coined the term fossil. Lamarck. The book Flora of British India was written by J.D. Hooker. Thank you very much.